Guys, look at the safety here. I think they don't. I think the Uzbek people, they are so brave that they don't know the word safety. He's working there, and that's the and that is the only man. And that is the only man who is saving his life. So, be safe. We are looking now something to eat, and we found here something. Let's see. Oh, what do we have? Assalamu alaikum. They are sleeping. Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is what they used to cook here, maybe some rice, but now this is pulao is ended. Finished? Tough luck. We have been walking the whole day. But we'll find something. He's my translator and my guide. He's everything, Abbas. He's my interpreter, my guide. He's been with me the whole day today. Here? What?
Yeah, here.
Does they have pulao?
There's no palo.
Then?
We may eat the gis.
What is this?
It's a bosi. Gis is a kashkadaria.
Okay, so we're going to have some Kashkadaria meal. I have no idea what this is, so we will see. And I think if he's saying that it is tasty, so we should try this. And it will be tasty from Kashkadaria. Let's see. My first Uzbek meal here. This tea. The green tea or black tea?
Black.
This is how they drink in the Uzbek style, in small bowls. Abbas, cheers. Yeah, salad also. Can't wait to eat something. Oh, what is this?
Gis.
Gis. It's called gis. So it's meat, I think it's beef.
No.
What is this?
They more US. Muslims people.
Beef.
Yeah.
Yeah, beef. So from cow. It is from cow. Yeah, it's beef. Okay. Some dill, tomatoes, salad, onion, some cucumber. Also got the forks. Oh, so there is some cinnamon inside, but cumin. There's some cumin, so those small seeds. I hope I can find something here. It smells like cumin. So good.
Okay. That's.
Go ahead. Just tuck in. So the one full now. How do you eat this now? So this is onion.
Yeah.
So
This onion we eat.
Wow, it's so tender. I just use the fork inside here, and they never gave us a knife. And let's see some meat, the beef. Can you see this? It's so tender. Oh, it's so soft. I'm not so good at explaining food, but this is so soft. And you just put it in your mouth and it melts. Amazing. Am I filming?
A good clothes, best clothes.
So good plow is from home. Homemade plow is good.
Mm.
So from here it's not good.
No, good.
Okay.
Okay, every time I will go with you to eat clothes.
When?
No, but I have a chance.
Yeah.
Let's
So you
say-
have to go to class.
Of course.
Mm.
My course ends about 9 or 9:30 p.m.
Okay.
at night.
Yeah, but my train leaves at 10:30 I think at night. So when I just finished the meal and Abbas wants to make a dua, like prayer after me.
You.
Okay, so he wants me to. Okay. How do I say this? It says, yeah, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah to God that He gave us the food, and may He make this food healthy for us and keep us safe from all the disease. Amen. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah for it. This kind of meal, and God bless us. And your way will be deceived. I hope, and you will come back to your country safely, and there's no problems in your ways, in your future ways. So God bless us.
Amen. Amen.
Amen. I see. This is the first time for dua in English.
Yeah. Also for me, I mean, when we make duas, we also make dua in Arabic, so in our own language, in Urdu as well. So this is good. And I was not expecting this actually here, that after a meal, Abbas will say me to have a dua. I mean, we just say that in other Islamic countries as well. After a meal, we just say Alhamdulillah, which means thanks to Almighty Allah. But He wanted me or us to have some dua. Maybe it's a cultural thing here that after meal they have some proper dua, and I'm impressed. Uzbekistan is so far the best one. Selfie time. Let me see the name of this restaurant here. Yeah, so
Halal Oshkhona.
Halal Oshkhana Zigrosh. And guys, if you are in Tashkent, it is just right next street to the Olyushki Bazaar, Aleski Bazaar, and it's right here. So you can come back, and it's quite nice restaurant. Assalamu alaikum. So,
Y'all is